Hey, what's up? We just landed in Los Angeles after our red-eye flight, grabbed our Kia Forte, and made our way to our first stop for breakfast at Randy's Donuts. For all the Marvel fans, this is the iconic donut from Iron Man. They had ube donuts here, so of course, as a Filipino, I had to give it a try.
Oh,
First stop.
Randy's Donuts!
After Randy's Donuts, we took a short drive to the Santa Monica Pier, and of course, we spent some time over at Pacific Park. Didn't ride anything, but still very cool to walk around. Looked at some different shops, some different food places. And a fun fact about this place is it was finished in 1909 as the ending point of Route 66. Fun fact for you.
Hey, where are we?
We are so excited to eat. I took your joke. Babe.
We's walking. Stole my jacket.
After we were done getting settled into our hotel, we went to this hidden gem in Orange County called the Anaheim Packing House. It used to be an old citrus packing facility, but now they completely transformed it into a foodie paradise. Funny thing is, we didn't even eat anything there. We went to In-N-Out Burger, as you'll see in a bit.
Where are we?
In-N-Out.
Hello. What are we doing today? What are the two things we're doing? Where are we going right now?
We're going to a museum.
Museum? Bowser's Museum, not from Mario. And then,
It's not Bowser.
it says Bowser.
It's Bowser.
No, Bowser. Bowser,
Are
I
you
promise.
sure?
Yeah, this is Bowser. And then, we're gonna go watch NF tonight. Ooh. Okay, she was right. It's Bowser's Museum. I read a blog and it says Bowser. So. If we lived here, would you want to get married here?
Ever since we got to Anaheim, we have been driving around and we passed by this place a couple of times called Joe's Italian Ice, and it was always busy, so we had to see what the buzz was all about. Before the concert, we went to eat at this place called Tacos Los Cholos. Don't need to say much about the food, just look at it.
Baby, where we going?
The real reason why we came to Los Angeles was to watch Taylor Swift, but upon further research, we found out that NF was also going to be in town on the same week we were there. So here we are.
Shawty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby. You would feel like a failure. I know these hurts, but I gave you your chance to deliver. Now it's the definition of success. Listening to what your heart says. Standing up for what you know is what everybody else says. You have to go and make it better. 30 years of love, 30 years of search, 30 years of truth, 30 years of pain, 30 years of fear, 30 years of anger, 30 years of empty, 30 years of pain, 30 years of love, 30 years of God, you ain't see me in the same clothes I had on last week in my shame, no. You heard me saying if it ain't wrong, say that's my motto. So personal, I'll make them. Look at that car I'll pay for. Look at my life, I'm grateful. Ain't no need that's safer. You know I hear what I ain't for. Talk about wish I take them. Here we go. You say you hate me, and you're gonna get angry. I know everything will be alright. Put your flashlights up. Yeah. You ever make it up to the gate? And if you did, I wonder, is it a beautiful place? Did he put his arms around you, make you feel like you're safe? Did he grab you by the hand? Feel more comfortable. Living in my agony, watching my self-esteem go up in flames and being like that. Oh my, it was showtime. That was me and that don't really make no difference to me. Right now, I wish that I could say I'm already gone. Yeah, I'm done running.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.